Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this cute little Christmas lights design. So first off I'm going to take pine and apply 2 layers, curing between each for 30 seconds. And then going to fully matte top coat the whole nail, gives you a nice base to draw on top of. Then going to take Black Magic and my S1 brush and just create a loop which will be the wire for your Christmas lights. Again, using the same brush, I'm just going to paint some little rectangles that will be the bases for your bulbs, so just space them out as and where you need them. Then using the full Christmas in colour collection, I'm going to take a dotting tool and just dot a dot of colour onto each base. Apply them randomly or in whichever order you wish. And then I'm going to take a D3 brush and just pull out the ends of those dots just to create that tapered bulb look. Once you've cured this, you can just leave it as it is and leave the background matte, or you could top coat the entire design if your clients don't like the matte look, and then you're left with this. Hope you enjoy.